Hi, this is Chris, and I'm doing a bocce court project in Santa Barbara. But as usual, I notice other things that are going on in the yard, and quick to criticize or quick to compliment. Here is yet another synthetic lawn installation where the installer clearly was not being honest with the homeowner. Because if they were being honest and they'd have made a good deal for the homeowner, the grass would not be laying down flat and getting damaged like this. What's happened here is yet again another installation of synthetic grass. Artificial grass has been made without putting in infill sand. The infill sand is needed to keep the turf standing up the way it is right here. If you do not put the infill sand in, the wear, as we can see from that side of the yard to this side of the yard, the wear and tear mats down the grass and it begins breaking off and wearing away many years sooner. Many people who want an artificial grass do so for environmental reasons. They believe that it's going to save water and improve the environment. Hey, you're not improving the environment if all the little pieces keep breaking off and washing down the street every time it rains heavy. See, the other thing that really offends me is they use recycled road base, because they used it also in the base that they started for the bocce ball court. Okay, recycled road base is junk. It's trash. It's freeway trash. Do not use freeway trash in your backyard. It's not even permeable. It's all kinds of junk and dirt and fines in it, and it clogs up. It doesn't even drain that well. You want fresh, virgin, permeable base in a synthetic lawn, artificial grass installation. Permeable base is rounded river rock and sand. It is not crushed rock and rock fines. That's non-permeable. So two things. Test the honesty of your artificial grass contractor supplier. Are they offering you an infill sand that you can afford? Because some of them are very expensive. But you can get by with the number 16 sand if you need to. You don't have to use green or black or green and black sand or all the other fancy ones. It's better if you do, but at least some number 16 sand top dressed in your lawn so you can have long lasting value. And are they bringing you permeable base, fresh permeable base, not all the junk that was ground up from the local road project that nobody can get rid of. This is what you put underneath concrete and asphalt, not what you put underneath an artificial lawn that's costing thousands of dollars that you want to drain well. Let's just suppose that the garden was much larger. You don't want all this toxic crap leaching into your planter bed. You eat it every time you suck on an orange over here. You have recycled road base chemicals with your fresh blueberries in the morning. Come on, man.